These are designed to help students improve their LSRW skills, listening, speaking, reading and writing skills. This semester is very easy. This motivates you to go through further reading things in this semester. So these 8 poetry give you a wonderful picture of how poets have seen the world, what they have wanted to convey in their poetries, etc. Hello students, I am Anil, Assistant Professor of English, Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. Welcome to the new academic year 23-24. In this session, we are going to see what is the syllabus for the first semester BCom. In this session, we are going to look at the syllabus of the first semester English language. We will look at the pattern of evaluation, how it is done, then pattern of the question paper for the semester examination. The syllabus consists of poetry, prose and grammar contents. These are designed to help students improve their LSRW skills, listening, speaking, reading and writing skills. So this will teach us how to listen to the poetry, how to understand it and to appreciate the poetic quality. In this poetry part, you have 8 poems. First poem is When 40 Winters Shall Besiege Thy Brow by William Shakespeare. The second one is The World Is Too Much With Us by William Wordsworth. Third one is A Wagon of Shoes by Avram Shuskever. Fourth one is 9 Gold Medals by David Roth. Fifth one is False Religion by Rabindranath Tagore. Avarice by George Herbert. Oh My Love's Like a Red, Red, Red Rose by Robert Burns. Eighth one is On Killing a Tree by Jeev Patel. So these 8 poetry give you a wonderful picture of how poets have seen the world, what they have wanted to convey in their poetries, etc. We will go in detail to each poetry in the upcoming sessions. Moving on to the next part, that is the prose part. You have 4 prose parts. The Miser is a short story by George Orwell. It's a wonderful story of a miser. Second one is The Storyteller by Saki. Saki is the pen name of the author. It is a wonderful story. Third one is an essay, Going Green, about climate change, conserving forest, how to preserve greenery in our environment, etc. Fourth one is an article by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, The Position of Women in Hinduism and Buddhism. He compares the position of women in 2 different religions. We will see in detail what is there in all 4 prose parts in the upcoming sessions. In addition to poetry and prose part, you have the language component and some literary activity. So they concentrate in this semester on punctuation. You have been learning punctuation from your class 7, class 8, 9, 10. Here we will recall all those things and learn to write it in a better way. Articles. We will go deep into the concept of articles, where to use, how to use, and what are the rules of applying articles and things like that. Third one is prepositions. These may look very simple, but they are very important when you want to convey what you want to convey to the people. So we will discuss preposition in the next class. Verb in relation to tense, persons and number of subjects. Subject-verb agreement has been in your syllabus from your high school. We will look at and we will recall most of the things which we have already learned. So these things help us to write properly and make our idea conveyed to the other people. So that is all in your syllabus. You have 8 poems, 4 prose parts and 4 components in the language component section. They look very simple. If you compare your syllabus, the first semester syllabus with that of the second PUC state syllabus, it's very simple. But you are studying as a graduate, not a second PU student. We will teach you how to go through all those things, how to appreciate the poetry, how to understand the thoughts of eminent personalities, etc. Coming to the question paper pattern and evaluation, the first thing is the evaluation. So your evaluation is called formative assessment. In each semester goes like this. So you have first internal test for 10 marks, second internal test for 10 marks. In the second part, you have either class test or assignment, survey, interviews, etc. And that is also done twice, 10 and 10, which sums up to 40. And in the end, you will have term and exam that carries 60 mark. So total, it comes to 100 marks. So this is about your evaluation. How are students evaluated in this semester? Coming to the question paper pattern, most of the students are very keen to know what is the pattern of the question paper so that accordingly they can prepare for the examination. So it is like this. You will have objective type questions. You will have 12 questions. Out of 12, you have to answer 8. Then reference to the context. It may be of annotations from the poetry. You will have 6 questions. Out of 6, you have to answer 3. Then essay type questions on prose. On prose, you are given a question. You have to elaborately explain the answer. So you will choose 2 out of 4 questions. You have choice here. Then coming to the essay type questions in poetry, you will have options here. You will answer 2 questions out of 4. So this is over. The prose and the poetry part is over. Coming to the grammar and composition, you will have punctuation for 5 marks, articles for 5 marks, preposition for 5 marks, and the subject verb agreement for 5 marks. So this is very simple. You are given sentences and you are asked to choose the right words. Write preposition, write articles, write verb form which is suitable for the sentences. You will be given options there. You have to choose the right one. When you read a sentence, you have to choose such a word which gives clear meaning. So that is the question paper pattern. This semester is very easy. This motivates you to go through further reading things in this semester. All poems in this semester, they are very simple and clear. There is no confusion. The speaker or the poet, he or she directly speaks to the point. You have to understand how he or she puts it into his or her words. Then the prose part is trying to make students read on their own and also understand the contents in it. Coming to the punctuation, it is just recalling what we have already learned. So this semester would be a cakewalk for you people. If you find it hard, then Vidhyaashram, we are here to help you. This is your syllabus, students. If you have any doubt, it will be cleared in the upcoming sessions. I wish you all the best for this semester. Thank you.